Another day, another run. Happy Wednesday everyone. Okay, samahan nyo ako ulit ngayong gabi. We will do 5.5k again. Let's go, kaya natin to. Getting ready. By the way, hindi na tayo nag 2 minutes warm up run. Diretso na kagad. Piling ko medyo naka-adapt na yung katawan natin. Kaya hindi na ako nag-warm up ng 2 minute run. Nagko-cool down stretching na lang ako after. Let's go. 2K. 3K. 4K. 1.5 na lang. Push. 5K. 500 na lang. Yoo. Sheesh. Okay. 5.5. Finish. Woo. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Medyo nakaka-adapt na yung katawan natin. Hindi na tayo nag 2 minutes warm up run. Start agad ng run natin. At sa tingin ko kaya naman. Nagwo-work naman sa akin kaya I think it's good. Pag malapit na tayo sa bahay, nag-stretching ulit tayo. I think the more na nag-stretching ka before and after run, the more na ma-prevent yung injuries. Kaya walang mawawala kung mag-stretching ka. And I think we're good for tonight. Thank you so much guys. And always remember, stay consistent and motivated. God bless everyone. Peace out.